Testing, 1, 2. Testing. To the 1 and the 2. 4 and 7. My goal is to have good messages for people to hear. My goal is to uplift and spread joy. My goal is to leave behind a legacy for when I'm gone that will still help people after I'm gone. My goal is to be happy. Like, you know, someone asked me one time, you know what the meaning of life is? And I go, for me, it's joy. I mean, what good is anything without joy? You take joy out of your life, it's not a life, it's a nightmare. So, you know, joy. I definitely want to spread a lot of joy and happiness. Also a bit of awareness on what really matters in this world. To not take everything of the world so literally and just have fun with it. Enjoy life. Yeah, my goal for the music is to open people's eyes, give them joy, and let them know how important oneself really is. And we're off air. Alright? Get that? Alright. And cut. We were waiting for that, family. We were waiting for that. We were talking about we just go off task all the time, off task, eh? So my definite goal in music is just to spread joy, awareness of what's important in life, and to leave behind a legacy after I'm gone so that I can still spread joy even though I'm not here. I think that's a gift in itself.